That's interesting how it routes like this actually. Because like
I think that is a staircase when you go forward.
Oh.
Yeah, but technically it could take this.
You just go right here, no?
Maybe it's too steep.
Yeah, you can just go right here.
Yeah.
Interesting.
This is like a 20. These streets are like 15-20% grade.
Yeah, it's pretty. It's
so
pretty.
You are
steep,
getting
actually.
your. Okay. Really.
It's pretty. Does Waymo have a UI that's more that shows detections and stuff? Or
Yeah.
is it the same?
Yeah, they have both a detection and a map view.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So the 2 rides I've done in Waymo, I've had a second camera pointed at the screen. And so I can show
really
both.
prepared.
Yeah.
Very nice. You have a tripod as well you put here?
Yeah, so I would sit in the middle and I would put a mini like Gorilla Pod in the middle seat. And then I would sit on the Gorilla Pod so then it won't move. Oh, look at this open door. Oh, we are getting super close to this guy.
Damn, intense.
Okay. Hope they find whatever they're looking for in their car.
True.
Yeah, the previous, like in December, it was also really bad with open doors and like pedestrians in the street. The planning would get really janky and it would try to kind of give a really wide berth. Now, whatever they did, it's like decent now. At least much better. I actually think maybe it got too close to that person. Like there was plenty of room for it to nudge more.
I do agree with that actually. Oh, big hill though.
Big hill. You can see all the way across the city. Look at
I
that.
wonder how they detect that. Whether they get like super long range detections. Here. So they only go up to 25 miles per hour.
Yep. Yeah.
Pretty good actually.
I think that's both. That's one of those things. It's both a system capability and CPUC permit. Only allows 25.
What's CPUC?
The Public Utilities Commission.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And I think by contrast, their wet weather, they can drive in like let's say medium rain, but the permit only allows light rain, whatever that means.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So it's funny, like when it starts raining heavily, they kick out all the passengers and then they autonomously drive back to the garage.
That's crazy actually.
Yeah, when there's no passenger, it's
It's
all right. Nice right turn signal. Now it's canceled.
Oh. Lane change.
Wait, but this is this mapped as? Is this actually 2 lanes?
I don't think so. Maybe?
It's 1 lane here. Is it?
It's kind of wide, I don't know.
Maybe it's 2 lanes up there. All right, let's update to the end of Divis.
Let's do it. We're going to the end of the world over here. Of the cruise world, at least.
The end of the cruise world. So to be fair, the very end of Divis is like kind of boring.
Okay, we can go
But
up to the
we can just keep going until, there are no, that's a drop off.
Oh, it is 2 lanes here, you're right.
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of interesting that they split the lanes earlier despite there not being any lane lines.
It's probably because it needs to, the intersection probably maps to like a 2-lane routing.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like, the map probably like maps 2 lanes within the intersection.
Yeah. All right. I didn't like the route it gave me, so. Are we pulled over? All right. We've had to arrive at the precise pullover location. Now we can update it again.
Nice. Well, we're gonna go through Geary. It's gonna be traffic light controlled.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah. at least there's a bit more action here.
The real question is, would you fall asleep in this?
I would fall asleep,
Yeah.
but I'm too busy nitpicking how it drives, so.
Right. But
You
I'm
gotta
saying,
stay awake
Would
for that.
would you be comfortable? Would you be comfortable?
Oh, I see. No, I think it's still too jerky. Yeah. If you're a light sleeper, you probably cannot fall asleep. Yeah. Would you fall asleep in this?
I think I would fall asleep. Yeah, it's fairly slow moving. Doesn't have as many options to play with.
Yeah.
What kind of music would you play before? Was the predefined set of songs?
Yeah, they had a trivia app. They had
A trivia app.
yeah, they had like a
Wow.
legitimate game here. It's all gone for some reason.
It's unfortunate.
The other thing is, I wonder if their fleet does not run the same software version.
What do you mean?
Like
Different cars,
depending
different
on
software?
like maybe even the customer-facing cars have different software versions.
Could be for A/B testing.
Yeah.
Running some
Um,
experiments on us.
Like they certainly have different hardware configs inside the car.
do
There's
you mean?
different placements of this iPhone. And
Oh, really?
Some of them have the iPhone on the dash.
The
It used to
mysterious
be.
iPhone.
And then I encounter a third configuration with no iPhones.
Could this be? There's no way this. What could this be actually? That's absurd.
It's just zip tied.
It's actually so sturdy. Keep going down.
All right, yeah, keep going down. I think we can go here. Oh, sorry. What? It's not. Oh, okay, there we go. Yes. This spot looks good. Confirm.
Well, it's only $14 so far.
Yeah.
That's pretty cheap actually.
I mean, we've been going slowly, that's the thing.
Oh, so it feels like longer than this. Yeah. Could be.
Yeah.
We did loop quite a bit. I feel like the same ride would be $18 or $20 in a modern ride-hailing app.
Right. Yeah, it didn't charge us for any of the loops.
That's true.
Oh, okay. It's still red.
Oh, okay. Random right turn light. I like playing with lights.
Yeah, that's one bug I can't believe they haven't fixed. It's just like so confusing to other drivers.
Probably it's because I'm tempting to like nudge them in a different lane. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's looking kind of weird though.
You would think it would be based on the route and not like the plan, you know? Alright, we got one lead vehicle.
Oh, they're slowing down. Going real slow actually. Okay, that's right.
Oh, they're parking. Let's see if we give them enough room. Survey says yes.
Wait, what survey says yes?
Oh, I don't know, just looking ahead. We're still we're hopping forward a bit, which is... Alright, come on, let's go. Nice.
That's pretty good actually.
Oh, it's a good job by the computer.
The computer. The classic line.
Though the best job would have been switch lanes.
True. So gate passes. Have you taken a ride during the day with a Waymo? With a cruise?
No, that one is employees only right now.
Oh, it is? Oh.
Yeah. So their permit only lets them do it at nighttime. Okay.
Last extension.
Yep. Last all the way to the end. Okay, maybe I have to do it in 2 parts because I can't get it to. See, the router really doesn't want to go through this area.
Oh, I remember you had mentioned this before, I think.
Yeah, and I thought
It's
they
a really
had
busy area.
made it better, but apparently we'll just have to keep on. We'll just have to do it 1 block at a time. Piss off everyone behind us.
We're in a big street.
Yeah, they got rid of a lot of the drop-off spots on Divis.
And probably it's busy. Okay. Wait, we're going down one.
We're doing 1 block at a time, because otherwise it won't do a straight shot down Divis anymore.
Oh, really? It won't.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, this is stop and go traffic over here.
Yeah, we're like being really bad.
Oh, the radars are going crazy on the left. Look at that. Doesn't let you.
Dude, I don't think you can. I don't think I can
Force it to go through.
Yeah, because they nuked all the drop-off spots on these 2 blocks.
I wonder why.
So I guess we can just do that.
Yeah, what's on these spots? It's Emporium probably.
Yeah, it's like Emporium, and I don't know.
Oh no, oh.
I think maybe also there's like a public perception issue. They don't want people like getting dropped off and picked up on Divis because the car will be parked up to 5 minutes.
Right. Interesting. Have you ever been in a ride where someone outside has been complaining?
No. Oh, you got honked at once.
Well, that's normal though. You get honked if you're a human. It's
I mean, I think one reason people honk at us is if the cruise drives poorly, but I think another reason people honk is just they don't like AVs, so.
Yeah. It's interesting how people are not super keen on them actually.
Yeah.
Do you think it's because they're associated with tech, or do you think it's because of the drive more conservatively?
Probably a bit of both. Yeah. Alright, how are you feeling? Should we go back?
Are we all the way down? How far away are we?
We're like almost all the way down to Divis.
How much more is there? Let's go to the corner.
Okay. Corner?
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Truly the edge of the world, and then we can go back.